Hey everyone, Mitchell Gould here, and in today's video I'm going to go over LinkedIn ads engagement and how you can tell who's interacting with your ads. So let's jump into it. So first off, you can't see individual members that are engaging with your content unless they react or comment to it. I sometimes get clients asking, they see these clicks coming on the ads and they want to see who is actually clicking it. So we can see demographics data like job titles and companies, but you can't see the specific member data unless they react or comment to it. So first I'll show you how you can see the reactions and comments within LinkedIn, and then I'm going to show you some reporting and how you can use the demographics to look at the job titles and company names that are engaging, and that can help you further refine your audience if needed, if you see irrelevant job titles or irrelevant companies that you want to exclude. So to see who reacted with your ads, and this is going to depend on the campaigns you're running. If you're running an engagement campaign, that tends to drive a little more engagement and reactions compared to other campaign objectives like website visits where people are clicking to go to your website. But to see the reactions and comments, you'll go into your campaign manager and go to the ad section. And then in the columns section, you can go to the engagement columns. And then you'll scroll over to see the reactions here. So within this account, there's been 6 reactions. So I sorted on those and I can see there's been a few different reactions on these different ads. And then you're gonna click the ad and that will open it up in your feed. So this isn't my client here, but I just found a promoted ad and it'll look similar when you click your ad and show it in the feed. And then you can click the reactions here and it's gonna show the different users that reacted to this ad, and you can click on it and take a look at their profiles and their job titles, etc., and their experience. And you can also click the comment section to see who commented on the ad as well. So that's the only way within LinkedIn that you can see who interacted, the actual member data on who interacted with it. But like I mentioned, you can look at the demographics data for your account, your campaigns, as well. So if you click into the demographics and you can select a particular ad or a particular campaign, but I'm just going to click demographics here. And then you can filter on different categories. So job function, job title, company, and you can see the impressions, clicks, and other performance metrics for your campaigns and see who's interacting with it. So that can help you to make sure you're targeting the right people and help you add exclusions to your targeting if needed. I also use a Looker Studio dashboard. So I have a video on this of the dashboard I created. This pulls in the data from the LinkedIn Ads API, which allows you to see more of the demographics data, more of the companies and job titles, and it's easier to pull in all the metrics at once. So I'm taking a look at the job titles for this client, and we can see the job titles by clicks, by the video view percentages, because we have some video campaigns, and we're just ensuring that we have the right job titles coming through. And there have been a couple instances where we excluded some that got worked into the mix based off of our job title targeting. Job titles are a text field within LinkedIn, so a user can type anything they want in the job title field, and LinkedIn categorizes those together. So sometimes you get some irrelevant job titles coming into your campaigns, even though you set up your audience targeting, not exactly targeting those job titles. I've added some exclusions for this, and then we can see job seniority by company, function as well, and review the demographics data there. So that's one way that you could further refine your campaigns and get some information on your demographics. Again, if you want to see who specifically interacted with your ad, you're going to have to look at the reactions and comments, and that's only going to be a small, a percentage of the people that actually engage with your ad. But it is an option to be able to see some members, and that can sometimes be helpful if you're not sure about your targeting and you're getting reactions to click on it and make sure that that person aligns with your ideal customer profile, your buyer persona. If you have any questions on that, please put them in the comment section. I'd be happy to help you out, and thanks for watching and have a great day.